So every Friday for the past month, I've been doing a segment called Build It or Buy It. And basically, what it is trying to show you guys ways of saving money by using containers that you have around the house. And I normally give you a couple of choices and trying to guess what I'm going to use this following the next Friday. But this time, I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to show you in advance. Yes, I know the day is only Tuesday. This is kind of a tease, a preview of what I'm going to be growing with this Friday. So, the purpose of this video is to get you guessing. This is pretty small to be growing in. If you looked at a video I did, probably 3 years ago, I've been doing this for 6 or 7 years now, you will see that I have used something similar to this before. So I'll need to tell you what it is. You can clearly see what it is. The question is, what will I be growing? What's going to be inside this when I open it on Friday? So there's your little tease. And next week, I'll go back to showing you in advance the possibilities of what I could and will be growing in the future. So this is the Frugal Gardener. Hope you guys have a great day. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Have a great day.